dear friends, welcome to the Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to solve a really tricky math question. What is the value of the expression 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This math question has tricked many people into choosing the wrong option. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Most of the time, people start solving this problem by doing 2 plus 2 first, which I have highlighted in yellow, and they write this expression as 4 times 2 plus 2. In the next step, they go for 4 times 2 and say that this simplifies to 8 plus 2. And finally, the answer becomes 10. Then, without any hesitation, they say the correct answer to this question is option B. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some people when solving such a problem first do 2 plus 2, which I have highlighted in yellow, and replace it with 4. Then, they do the other 2 plus 2, which I have highlighted in blue, and replace it with 4 as well. Finally, they say 4 times 4 must be equal to 16. And immediately, they claim that option A is the correct answer to this question. But this answer is also completely wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. As you can see in the image, in this expression we have 1 multiplication sign and 2 addition signs. We must start with multiplication because multiplication has a higher priority than addition. So, we can write this expression as 2 plus 4 plus 2. In the next step, we calculate 2 plus 4, which equals 6, and then add 2. Finally, the value of this expression is equal to 8. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.